Hello, my name is Stephen Dorr, Regional School Improvement Coordinator at the Jackson County ISD. Today we're going to be working on an advanced webinar, number 1, focusing on testing reports and data files. There's a few assumptions that we make if you're watching this webinar. First, you know the basic use of the MISchoolData website. You've already participated in the basic webinar, and that you have login access to the MISchoolData website. Now, it's also important that you understand the FERPA and HIPAA laws and the compliance issues related with MISchoolData, especially if you have login access. Let's go ahead and get started on talking about the dashboard tools that we have. Now, here we are at the MISchoolData website. I'm logged in as Stephen Dorr, and I'm going to go to the dashboard and accountability scorecard. Now, the three things that we want to explore today, we're going to go from right to left on this one. There's about this report, there's the link to report, and there's also a download and print feature. Right along the top, you see that there's actually a couple of key buttons here. I'm going to start with about this report. Wherever I am in MISchoolData, if I see this about this report on this top banner, I can click on it to get more information about what it means, why it matters, and of course, more information about this data. Now, this will change depending upon where you are in the MISchoolData website. Now, in addition to this, I might like the report that I see down below, and I want to make a link to this report. So what will allow me to do is I can copy this link. I can put it on Facebook or LinkedIn, but I can actually copy the link itself and copy and paste it into a web page or a document. It will link me automatically back to this information. Last but not least, I might want to download and print. You see, I can save this as a PDF file, and this will automatically come up and get saved as a PDF. Or if I want to be able to edit the data or make my own graphs as I want, I can download this as a CSV. That's a comma separated value. I can then open it up in Microsoft Excel and do some data processing on my own. So these are the top 3 features above. Now, in addition to these 3 items, there's another very important way that I can capture data and grab reports off of MISchoolData. You'll notice that I do need to be logged in, and here I am down in the other, right below Annual Education Report. Now, this link is rich with all sorts of reports that I can have sent to me. Once I've clicked on Data Files, I come to the screen to select my school. I often find it easier to do a keyword search to type in the name of my school if I have one in mind. I can have emailed directly to me for a particular school year, an individual report, and I have a wide selection to choose from. On the top, you also notice these are K-12 student data files. There's also college data files, and a very new addition this year is what's called Student Pathways Report. So I can track students and how they're doing in college from my local school district, or go backwards from the post-secondary college back to the LEA. So I can go in either direction here and get all sorts of different reports. Oftentimes I have to include all the information in order to get this. Now, what you get once this is emailed to you is you have a link that you can click, and it's only good for, say, 3 to 4 hours. It's important to know that you have private student information and that all the FERPA and HIPAA laws will apply. So that's the basics on managing the toolbar on top, and of course data files. Click on the link below the video and complete a quick 7-question survey. It's at bit.ly/MISchoolData. This is case sensitive. The session name is Advanced Webinar number 1. If you have questions, please contact any of the people below at JCISD Learning Services. Thank you very much.